Welcome to the best picks. The best vintage cookbooks are probably one of the most fascinating and rewarding ways to explore the culinary history, offering a glimpse into the past through recipes and food trends that have shaped our modern tastes. From retro-inspired recipes to forgotten techniques, these books are a treasure trove of culinary inspiration, allowing you to recreate classic dishes or adapt them to your modern kitchen, making them not just cookbooks but historical artifacts and conversation starters. Number 5. Legend Recipe Book. Unleash your inner chef. This recipe book makes cooking fun and lets you share your culinary creations with loved ones, building a lasting legacy. Keep all your cherished family recipes together. It has plenty of space to record up to 58 of your culinary masterpieces. It's designed for easy use. The durable cover, high-quality paper, and handy features like bookmarks and a recipe pocket make cooking a breeze. You'll find helpful extras inside. Colorful stickers, cooking tips, a glossary of terms, and more are all included to enhance your cooking experience. We're confident you'll love it. If not, we offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. Contact us for a refund or exchange. What we like? It's a blank canvas for your culinary creations, allowing you to personalize it completely. The durable hardcover ensures it'll last for years, becoming a treasured family heirloom. If you are looking for a way to preserve your family recipes for generations to come, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This has great cooking tips inside the front for ease of use and has a lot of writing space. I really like the quality of the cover and design. They truly thought of everything when it came to this recipe journal. Color-coordinated, conversions, tips and tricks, helpful definitions and instructions for cooking baking technical terms, various cute stickers, and even a simple example for filling out your recipes so they are clear and easy to understand. There's much more information that I didn't take a picture of, but trust me when I say that I sincerely doubt you will ever have to look up anything for your recipes. It's all in the front of this book. They have all the conversions, substitutions, even what certain meats should look like after they're done cooking so you know you made it properly. How long things can be stored until, etc. Very well made. Love the layout and design. Exactly as described. Number 4. Vintage Baker Cookbook. Welcome to a world of delightful baking. This cookbook is filled with over 50 recipes, perfect for any skill level. Indulge in the rich, buttery flavor of these curls. They're surprisingly easy to make and always a crowd pleaser. These soft and chewy cookies are a classic for a reason. The sour cream adds a unique tangy twist. It's more than just a collection of recipes, it's a journey through baking history. Discover the stories behind these timeless treats. Each recipe is a testament to generations of baking traditions. Get ready to create your own culinary legacy. With clear instructions and mouth-watering photos, it's easier than ever to bring these recipes to life. Let's get baking. What we like. This cookbook is filled with more than 50 classic recipes, perfect for anyone who loves traditional baking. It's a nostalgic trip back in time, with recipes that have stood the test of time. If you enjoy baking and appreciate classic recipes, this is the cookbook for you. What people say. The instructions are very clear, so I think that even novice bakers will get great results, but there is lots for the experienced baker to enjoy as well. Jessie Sheehan's meticulous, easy-to-follow instructions make the recipes very accessible to the home baker, and the Alice Gow photographs are simply beautiful to look at and practically jump off the page. The recipes are straightforward and easy to follow. Number 3. Betty Crocker Lost Recipes. Get ready to bake like it's 1950. These recipes have been lost to time, but not anymore. Let's bring back the classics. These aren't just recipes. They're pieces of history. Each one tells a story, and now you can be a part of it. Even if you're a beginner baker, you'll find these recipes easy to follow. The results? Absolutely delicious. These vintage recipes are updated for modern cooks. Everything is easy to find and simple to make. Bring back cherished memories with these timeless recipes. They're perfect for sharing with family and friends. It's a journey through time, a celebration of baking, and a chance to create new memories in the kitchen. Enjoy. What we like. It features beloved vintage recipes adapted for today's kitchens. It's a trusted name in baking, ensuring quality and delicious results. If you're a fan of Betty Crocker and want to try some classic recipes with a modern twist, this is a must-have. What people say. This retro cookbook was a fun read and a great addition to my collection. I recognize many of the dishes as foods I have eaten, and in some cases made. I am happy with this cookbook. It has good photos and tasty, easy recipes. The whole book has an old-timey, vintage feel. It is nice just to look at. But the photos are beautiful and recipes look very good. I've tried 2 so far and they were delicious. A lot of casseroles, nothing crazy fancy. To me, it's mostly comfort food and easy to prepare. Number 2. Grandma's 1910 Recipes. This book is a collection of recipes from 1910. It's filled with family favorites and time-tested techniques. Discover the culinary secrets passed down through generations. It's a journey through time, one delicious recipe at a time. These recipes have stood the test of time. They're simple, yet elegant, and perfect for any occasion. Many of these recipes were enjoyed by families a century ago. They're sure to become your new family favorites, too. Step back in time and experience the unique flavors of 1910. It's a culinary adventure you won't want to miss. More than just a cookbook, it's a piece of history. You'll be amazed by the simplicity and deliciousness of these recipes. What we like. Step back in time with this collection of recipes from 1910. It offers a glimpse into the past and a unique culinary experience. If you appreciate history and want to try recipes from a bygone era, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This was a delightful cookbook to read. My grandmother married in 1910, so this gave me insight to what type of desserts were being made then. Sweets were not served daily in my grandmother's home, but she always had a cookie jar filled with tea cakes even when company wasn't expected. Now, her favorite cake to bake for guests was a coconut cake made from breaking open a whole coconut with a hammer. I have tried several recipes including parking, which is a version of gingerbread, and the wartime fruitcake, which is exactly like she used to make. No frills here, just straightforward basic ingredients, with delicious results. Treacle is molasses. It does have photos of the original recipes, which is interesting and nice to see. Overall there appears to be approximately 50 recipes. Most seem to desserts. Very unique piece of history to use and keep handy, especially for special occasions. Number 1. RECIPELION'S Retro Recipes. Get ready to travel back in time with our amazing collection of recipes from the 50s and 60s. It's a delicious journey through culinary history. Start your retro feast with appetizers that are as stylish as they are tasty. These little bites are perfect for any gathering. From classic comfort food to elegant entrees, it has something for every palate and skill level. Prepare to be amazed by these vintage dinners. Quench your thirst with refreshing drinks that capture the spirit of the 50s and 60s. Each sip is a step back in time. With 103 recipes, you'll have endless possibilities to create memorable meals. There's something for everyone to enjoy. Don't worry about complicated steps. These recipes are designed to be easy to follow, even for beginner cooks. Rediscover the joy of simple, delicious food. Let these recipes bring back fond memories and create new ones. What we like. It's packed with 103 retro recipes from the 50s and 60s. It's a fun and nostalgic trip back to mid-century America. If you love retro recipes and want to recreate the flavors of your childhood or a bygone era, this is the cookbook for you. What people say. Excited to use this book. It has recipes from when I was a child. Big illustrations and easy recipes to follow. The recipes were delicious and super easy to follow. I had to doctor up the Sloppy Joe recipe, but other than that they were all used as is. Excellent book on vintage 1950s and 1960s appetizers, dinners, and a handful of alcoholic drink recipes. A full-size picture of each dish accompanies each recipe. Some of the retro recipes featured include creamed chipped beef, crab puffs, southern deviled eggs, ramaki, ambrosia salad, strawberry pretzel salad, Watergate salad, Salisbury steak, chicken a la king, baked Alaska, cherries jubilee, Harvey Wallbanger cake, chocolate malt milkshake, Shirley Temple old-fashioned, Manhattan, vodka gimlet, mint julep, Tom Collins, and so much more. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.